If your life feels like it's falling apart right now, this might be the exact moment where everything is finally coming together. Manifestation doesn't work when you treat it like a Pinterest board. It works when you treat it like a lifestyle. The version of you who has a dream life already exists. The question is, are you living like her? You don't attract what you want, you attract who you are being. If you're exhausted even after sleeping, this video might explain why. Hello, besties. Welcome back to the channel. A very happy new year to all of you. If you're new here, my name is Ishpreet, and this channel is all about healing, all about becoming that girl. Spiritually, mentally, emotionally, financially, all of it. Today's video is not about manifesting a text or romanticizing your life for a week and quitting it. This is about rewiring the way you live so that the dream life you want to have becomes inevitable. Before we begin, I want you to know exactly how this video is structured. Chapter 1, Clearing Foundation. We are going to talk about your emotional weight and past identities, and also why your life might be crumbling before it gets together and levels up. Chapter 2, Alignment and Frequency. This is where we are gonna shift your energy, your mindset, and the way you move through the world. Chapter 3, Specificity and Tools. Here we are going to get practical. Vision boards, affirmations, subconscious reprogramming, and clarity that actually gives or creates results. Chapter 4, Environment and Inspired Actions. This is where your inner world finally meets the outer effort. Chapter 5, Detachment and Patience. This is the motion mastery that keeps you steady while your dream life is loading. So, whether you are watching this for healing, growth, or complete life reset, stay with me till the end. This video is meant to meet you exactly where you are because manifestation is not a method, it's a lifestyle shift. And when you understand this, everything changes. So, grab your coffee and your journal and let's get started. Imagine you wake up with a backpack on your shoulders every day. And in that backpack, you carry every emotion, every thought, every conversation, every memory. Now, ask yourself, is that backpack full of self belief, happiness, gratitude, peace? Or is it filled with or stuffed with complaints, resentment, self doubt, fear, heartbreak, or gossip? Some of you are tired not because you are doing too much, but because you are carrying too much. You cannot manifest your dream life while dragging your past life. Letting go of toxic relationship, letting go of old version of you, letting go of old identities, letting go of the need to be understood by the people who were never meant to understand you. This is where most people fall. They say they want new blessings while holding on to old pain. And then comes the crumbling. Jobs collapses, routines fall apart, your life seems unstable. You feel like everything is out of my hands, out of control. But this is not punishment. This is preparation. A universe cannot build a mansion on a flat foundation. Here's the truth nobody likes hearing. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. I repeated, you don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. So, if you want love, become love. If you want abundance, become abundant in your thoughts. If you want peace, Choose peace before life forces it on you. This is where radical gratitude comes in. Thank the universe for the coffee. Thank the universe for the health. Thank the universe for the people you have in your life right now. Thank the universe for the people who left your life and gave you a lesson. Thank the universe for the air you breathe in. Thank the universe for the fact that you can hear this right now. Because if you cannot be grateful for the latte, for the things you have right now in your life, I'm sorry. You are not ready for the mansion. Then comes the law of assumption. Move like your dreams are already in them. Like the success you want so badly is inevitable. Like the version of you who made it is guiding you. Women, especially, stop shrinking your desires. Stop making them realistic. They are, the dreams you have are not meant to be realistic. They are not meant to be logical. They are meant to change your favorite quote. God wouldn't put a dream in your heart if you are not capable of making it real. It stuck with me and it's still with me because I really believe in it. Most people say, I want to be successful, I want to be happy, I want more money, I want this, I want that. But universe does not respond to words. It responds to instructions. Clarity is not pressure. Clarity is self-respect. When it is specific, something inside you clicks. Your nervous system feels safe, your mind feels focused, your energy becomes steady instead of scattered. So I wanted to stop asking, what do I want someday? And start asking, what does my dream life look like on a random Tuesday? What time do you wake up? What do you wear? Who you text first? What kind of app you open first? How much money you have in your bank account? How you move through your day emotionally. This is not imagination. This is designing your reality. Then we use tools. Vision board is not aesthetic, it is instructional. The images you have on a vision board are telling your subconscious this is normal for me. Affirmations are not lying to yourself, it is choosing your identity in advance. And the nighttime visualization, this is you stepping in your future self before the world wakes up. Manifestation does not mean you sit still. It means you move, but with alignment, not with anxiety. There's a difference between I have to do this and I feel called to do this. Your intuition is your compass. Sometimes the actions does not make sense. Sometimes it feels random, sometimes it feels uncomfortable. But when the energy feels right, you feel strangely calm while doing scary things. And your environment matters more than you think. If you live in chaos, your mind stays in survival. If your space is heavy, your energy becomes heavy. Clean your room, read old photos, change your playlist, unfollow those people who drains your energy, follow women who inspires you. You are not behind, you are upgrading. And remember, asking for help is not weakness, it is alignment. Detachment is not giving up. Detachment is confidence. It's saying, I know what's mine. I don't need to chase it. You don't have to micromanage the universe. You don't have to worry about it every day. You don't check the signs every single moment of your life. Because when it is meant for you, it will find you in calm. And patience is not passive, it is powerful. You keep showing up, you keep growing, you keep choosing yourself. and stop panicking about the clock because the time is working with you, not against you. Everything you want is on its way. Your job is to pick up the version of you who can hold it. If your life feels uncomfortable right now, that means you are expanding. If things are leaving, that means they were never meant to stay. Your dream life is not something you chase, it's something you become aligned with. And the moment you change your identity, your entire reality follows. And this video spoke to you, save it, replay it, and share it with the women you are becoming because she is already proud of you.